This is the KRYPTON T1 2-channel car amplifier. The T1 outputs 200 watts per channel at 2 ohms, 120 watts per channel at 4 ohms, and you can also bridge the two channels together, which will give you 400 watts at 4 ohms. Now, whether you are a car audio competitor or just like to enjoy loud music, we've engineered and designed this amplifier from the ground up to give you great sound quality. The amplifier has a sleek design with a nice black metal sheen, and on the face of the amp is a built-in voltmeter, which looks great but also serves as a tool for you to know if your battery voltage is dropping, which would affect your system's performance. We designed this amplifier to be able to last for many years, even if you are playing it at max volume before clipping for extended periods of time. Now, on this side of the amplifier, we have our power, ground, and remote line terminals. We have two 25 amp fuses, and over here we have our speaker wire terminals. We can either wire our speakers directly to each terminal, or if we want to bridge our two channels together, we would do that here as well. On the other side over here, we have a high-level input port where our high-level input adapter would plug in. You can use this if your head unit does not have any RCA preamp output and you want to get a music signal from the speaker wire going to the speakers in your car. Next to that, we have our RCA inputs to get the signal from the preamp outputs on your head unit or receiver, and the RCA outputs if you want to send the signal to another amplifier or subwoofer amplifier for a bigger setup. Now, these are the controls for the channels, which are a level knob, a fully adjustable 12 dB bass equalizer, which will boost the proper frequencies to give you more present and stronger low-end sound, and next to that is a high-pass filter knob, a low-pass filter knob, and the crossover switch, which can be set to full-range mode, high-pass filter mode, and low-pass filter mode. Now, going back to the crossover, you can set it to full range mode where no frequencies will be filtered out, or at high pass filter mode where you will filter out some of the lower frequencies between the range of 60 Hz to 1.2 kHz. So if I set it to 400 Hz over here, the amp will only play frequencies of 400 Hz and above, which would be great to use for mid-range speakers where I don't want too many low frequencies, or even to target really high frequencies like for a tweeter. Or you can use the low pass filter crossover setting to filter out higher frequencies, and that ranges between 50 Hz and 250 Hz. So for example, if you set it to here around 100 Hz and had the amp in low pass filter mode, it will only play frequencies of 100 Hz and below. This would be perfect if you were running two subwoofers off the KRYPTON T1, like our 8-inch K5 subwoofers. Now, because of all of these crossover settings we have on our KRYPTON T1 amplifier, this amp can be used for subwoofers like our K5 series, for full-range speakers, tweeters, mid-range speakers, or even different combinations of different types of speakers, like multiple mid-range speakers and tweeters, or full-range speakers and tweeters. Just remember, whatever crossover setting you set the amp to, it's going to affect both channels. And remember, you can even bridge the two channels together, so if you wanted to use more power for something like a single voice coil 4 ohm subwoofer, you could do that by bridging the two channels together and using it for that sub. But you're probably wondering what this amp can do, so let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, guys? So I have my KRYPTON T1 all set up here and ready to go. Now for this demo, I'm using our very own RV6 9.4As, which are 6x9 inch full range 4 ohm car speakers. I have 4 of these speakers run on each channel in series parallel so that they don't fall under the 2 ohm impedance minimum on each channel. Because this amp is so powerful, it's able to power all of these speakers very easily. Another setup you can use with this amp is with 2 subwoofers on each channel, like our very own W12 K5S2s, which would also make a very nice budget build if you wanted to play 2 subs off 1 amp. Anyways, enough with the chit chat. I have my phone connected to the amp, so I'm gonna play some music for you guys to show you what this amp can do. Here we go.
So as you just saw in that demo, the KRYPTON T1 is an absolute beast. So if you're looking for a powerful, sleek, and versatile 2-channel car amplifier for your setup, look no further than the KRYPTON T1 from Rockville.